Hello everyone, welcome back to Nkiru here. We appreciate our returning subscribers and the first time viewers. If today is your first time with us, thank you for visiting. Relax and enjoy what we are sharing today. Most delicious spicy chicken rolls, a recipe that graduated college. I'll list full ingredients in the description box. Mix the flour, baking powder, freshly ground nutmeg, and salt. Mix together very well. Add the butter and mix well to incorporate. Add the maple syrup, which I substitute for sugar. Now go ahead and add milk and mix everything to combine very well. Go ahead and transfer the dough to a floured work surface. Then knead it for about 2 to 3 minutes. Cover it and allow to rest for about 30 minutes. Meanwhile, cut the skinless, boneless chicken breast into small pieces and transfer to your food processor. Add the cilantro, onion powder, liquid aminos. Go ahead and add paprika, salt, and dry pepper. I am using African bird, which is very hot. Finally, add olive oil. I am using extra virgin. Mince the chicken to the consistency you want. I hope you are enjoying today's recipe. If you haven't subscribed, kindly go ahead and do so and activate the notification bell so you will not miss any of our new videos. Thank you for your love and support. Now go right ahead and flatten the dough to be very thin. You don't want it thick because you will still fold it twice. Observe the thickness. Beat the eggs you will use to coat the dough. You can use egg wash too, which is a mixture of yolk and milk or water. Add chicken mixture to one end. Brush with eggs and fold it over twice. Cut off the extra dough and then cut the long roll into smaller rolls. Put them in a baking tray lined with parchment paper. Go ahead and brush the tops with raw eggs. Like I said, you can brush them with egg wash. After brushing the tops with egg, use a fork and poke holes on them to enable heat go in for proper cooking. I already preheated the oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Now go ahead and bake them for 45 minutes. And the most delicious spicy chicken rolls are ready. When you try this recipe, you will agree with me that it graduated college. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, kindly share with friends and family, please. And give us thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and do so. And activate the notification bell so you will be the first to know when I post a new video. I greatly value your love and support. Bye for now. I love you all.